Hey guys, we're at Kings Island. Whoop-de-doo. We're here to do a Orion construction update. Hey Grant.
Yeah.
So we're just stopping in for a little bit. It's Saturday. It's like 4 o'clock. The park just opened, and it was kind of difficult trying to get in because it's like warm. It's like 50 degrees. Like I'm actually like kind of hot in my jacket right now.
At OVC here with the weather at Kings Island.
Yeah. All right, so we're headed back to Orion. We're gonna go check it out for you guys. Let's get going. We're walking down Coney Mall right now. We're gonna go check out Orion's turnaround. Is that what you call it, a turnaround? I don't know. Because people got mad when I called the second hill a wave turn for some reason. So
I'm mad because it's technically not a turnaround.
It's like
Literally
it just turns around. It looks like most of it's done. It just needs to come back down to the ground.
Technically
kind of thing.
190 degrees and not 180. You're wrong.
Do for this Orion update. As you can see, they're working on the turnaround back there. It's not completely done, but it's getting there. I think the last time I was on a tour of this was 2 weeks ago, and they said that they were hoping to get the construction done by the end of January, which means they have about 5 weeks to go. Do you think they're going to be able to get this done in 5 weeks? Yeah? Probably. I mean, they are moving really fast, and it looks like stuff has really picked up, so that's good. But yeah, that's going to do it for this update. Hopefully be back sometime next week for another update if stuff has actually progressed. I don't want to do an update for you guys if nothing's actually happened. So be on the lookout for a new update from Orion, and I hope you guys like this one. Leave a comment below if you're excited to ride.